Hello, this is the Toyota Auris 2016 model. I just want to telling you about the battery cooling system. If on the dashboard is saying hybrid cooling system, you need to see the dealer. If your cooling system, something wrong with the cooling system, and you don't need to go see the dealer. I'm just telling you how you clean the filter in Toyota Auris. When the sign coming on the dashboard, maintenance required, you need a part of cooling system. You don't need any part. I just tell you how to clean the filter. This is the 2016 Auris car, 2016 model. And what you need to do, just this is a 2016 model. You open door on the back seat, the passenger side back seat is under the seat. You need to pull out the seat. Yeah, you can see one clip here and one clip here and one clip here. What you need to do, take out the clips. This is the clips. Take out the clips and pull the seat up and pull out this piece, and this only you need to clean this filter. It's very easy job. You pull out the filter, this is the filter. What you need to do, take a hoover and clean this filter. Only this filter you need to clean. This, you can see the filter is full of dust. You need to clean the filter and put back in there. Put back in the same place. And when you're cleaning this filter, on the dashboard is no any sign coming for maintenance required. So if you go see the dealer, they charge you 250 to 300 pounds for this, just only cleaning this filter. That's it. So please, I just want to let you know, don't go to see the dealer, just clean your filter yourself. This is the Toyota Auris hybrid car, 2016 model. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.